In a country where over half of our youth struggle with learning access, education has become a privilege when it should be a right. Every Filipino child, worker, and OFW is entitled to the freedom to learn, to reskill, and to grow, especially in an age where AI is reshaping the future faster than our systems can keep up. But learning in the Philippines isn't just challenged by poverty, it is crippled by corruption and scams. Funds meant for schools, digital tools, and teacher training are hoarded, delayed, or stolen by those in power, and in the gaps they create, scammers thrive. Young learners are promised fake scholarships, workers are sold useless certificates. OFWs desperate to upskill are trapped by online courses that teach nothing but false hope. Psychology tells us this is dangerous. When people are denied real opportunities, they become vulnerable to manipulation. When learning feels unreachable, critical thinking weakens and corruption survives on silence and confusion. But here's the truth they don't want us to realize. Learning is power, and power grows when shared. Across the country, communities are fighting back through free e-learning, open source platforms, and AI-powered education tools that adapt to how Filipinos actually learn. AI isn't the enemy. When used ethically, it becomes a teacher that never sleeps, a guide for reskilling youth, empowering workers, and helping OFWs compete globally without leaving their families behind. Education doesn't need permission from corruption. It only needs access, integrity, and courage. Demand transparency, support ethical learning platforms, teach others how to think, not just what to memorize, because a nation that learns together cannot be controlled by lies forever. When education is free, minds are free, and no corruption can chain up people who know how to think, because a nation that learns together cannot be controlled by lies forever.